In this Electude tutorial, you will learn how to assign course content to students using the plus button. First, click the Students tab in the top menu bar. Then from the left-hand menu, select the group you wish to assign content to. For this example, Class A is selected. Next, click the Courses tab in the top menu bar. From the left-hand menu, select the product group you wish to assign content from. From the center of the page, click to open the main course title. Then select a subcourse from the list. Click to drill down into the subcourse you wish to assign. In this example, Chapter 2 is selected. Having selected the course you wish to assign, click on the Students tab in the top menu bar. This will return you to the previously selected group. From the top center of the page, click the plus under the heading Group Content. The previously selected subcourse will appear in the drop-down. Click Add to assign the course. To assign additional content, return to the Courses tab in the top menu bar. Use the navigational arrows at the top of the page to return to the subcourse list. Click to select a new subcourse item. In this example, Chapter 3 is selected. Next, click the Students tab to return to the group. Then click the plus under the Group Content heading. The newly selected subcourse will appear in the drop-down. Click Add to assign the course. Please go to electude.com to view more training tutorials.